Have you ever wondered what it's like to wander ancient streets where golden temples meet the mighty Mekong River? Luang Prabang awaits with its UNESCO-listed charm, where monks in saffron robes perform dawn alms-giving rituals and Kwangsi Falls beckon with turquoise pools. Savor spicy Laotian cuisine in bustling night markets and explore French colonial lanes lined with vibrant cafes. Which would you try first? A temple tour, a waterfall swim, or tasting sticky rice? Comment below and let us know. Like and follow us on TikTok @WeDChosenOnes for more adventures.